I know that you want to make some extra amount to get financial freedom. You also have no time for extra work, or you might want to rest too. So I have about the best solution for you. Today, I have a website by which you can make thousands of dollars by doing 5-minute work, and you will get paid over and over again in complete autopilot mode. This website is the best passive side hustle. It's a simple 3-step process. No degree, experience, or investment is needed. Before we start our video, hey guys, welcome back to my family. Here I always showed up with a number of amazing websites that no one knows. These fantastic websites pay you thousands of dollars by doing almost nothing. Watch this video till the end if you want to end up your day by making dollars. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, do it now. Also, hit the notification bell so you will never miss any updates. This strategy is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Let me show you how, so stay tuned. Step 1. Open your internet browser on your laptop, smartphone, or PC, whatever you have. Search promo.com on the Google search engine. Promo.com has everything someone needs in an online video maker. High-quality professional video clips, royalty-free music, customizable video templates, and more. Promo.com is simple, instant, and generates awesome results at a reasonable price. You can invite your friends to try Promo.com for free. For every friend that subscribes to Promo.com, you'll receive a 30% commission. These types of websites help businesses grow their brand. Share your link and earn up to 30% commission for every sale. This website is 100% legit. You can check its outstanding ratings on Trustpilot.com. Step 2. Sign up for a free account, or you can also sign up by using your Google or Facebook account. If you go to the pricing section, you will see packages they offer to their customers. If you refer your customer and he or she purchases a package, you will get 30%. That would be around $9. You can also convince your customer to purchase the yearly package. You are going to get paid more. If you refer 100 clients in a year, which is not a big deal, you will get $10,800 in a year. And this is the minimum estimate I have made. Sounds great. Now let's move to the final step. Step 3. Grab your referral link from your dashboard. You can easily convince people to purchase by talking about their tremendous benefits or advanced features. You can write super attractive reviews or create videos in which you can describe all about the promo. Upload them on social media and YouTube along with the affiliate link. And tada! You are good to go. Withdraw your revenue from your PayPal account. Do you find this video helpful? Leave a comment below. Give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Take care.